Hello everyone, welcome. You see the boxes on the floor. Obviously you read the title of the video. This is a Hemns Queen bed assembly video. It'll be two parts. First part, we're gonna open up the boxes, get everything laid out, go over the tools that are needed. Second video will be the assembly. Let's get started. When you go to the store, if you're not using a box spring, you grab your snazzy lat jobbies. We'll untether them later. You'll get your center beam. You'll end up with a lot of cardboard. Lay it on your floor to help prevent damage to any of the components. So we start off with our assembly manual. We've got our little fellow that reminds you, ask for help. As you're taking everything out of the box, you'll find this guy. This is going to have your hardware kit in it. You're going to have a couple of bags. Bag number 1, bag number 2. I like to keep some little boxes handy. I like to open up that bag. Put your hardware in there. Bag number 2 is like a two-parter setup. You'll end up with a little guy like this. I usually don't open these until needed. Remember bag 1 and bag 2, which box you put them in. A lot of your parts are numbered like so. This is your footboard. Thankfully, this comes fully assembled. That saves you a bit of time. I keep a tote off to the side over there to throw this stuff in. Here's the top of your headboard. These are the legs of your headboard. Move everything out of box 1. Next, we'll open up box number 2. Here we are on box number 2. These are your side rails. Made out of solid pine. They really do have a nice finish. A whole lot of paper. Metal doodads. We're going to quick go over the tools that we're going to be using today. We've got noisy dogs, a Phillips, a straight slot, standard straight slot. I like to keep a little stubby ratcheting multi-driver handy. This guy has Phillips, straight slot, all the stuff. The included IKEA wrench, open end wrench. The included IKEA, their little magic key thing. I like to have a driver handy with a Phillips in case you want to speed things up if you're comfortable with that. And then we got to have a little Arnold Palmer to quench our thirst as we work.